Are you over 40 and you're finding that when you wear foundation, it just sits in your lines and sometimes it makes you feel like you look older than you are? I've got a really quick tip for you. It's called Lid Lift Enhance. This product was made for hooded, tired eyes, but I'm going to show you how you can use it all over your face to conceal in a really natural way. It's made by women over 40, for women over 40. Ladies in their 80s are using this and loving it because it has a gorgeous feel to it. It conceals beautifully without it looking heavy or caked or like it sits in your line. So this shade that I'm using is Fairer Soul, which is the lightest shade. It's from Code Beautiful. It's called Lid Lift Enhance. And I'm going to leave this eyelid because I'm going to show you the difference it makes with doing one side and not the other. And I'm going to conceal pigmentation, some age spots, some redness. I'm going to just use my fingers. You can use a brush if you want, but I'm sure you know that on concealer, to get more coverage, you press into the skin. And if you want a lighter coverage, you sweep over. So on my eyelids where I don't want it to be heavy, I'm just sweeping it over. So it's really natural. It's a great lid primer. So if you wear eyeshadow, it will hold that shadow all day long, but it also will lift and brighten the eye area. So before I do the rest of my face, just look at the difference. Comes in 3 shades. Doesn't have to be an exact skin tone match because you can wear other products like HTG to bring back your glow afterwards. But it just does a brilliant job of concealing. Look, all that darkness on my lid is gone. Underneath my eye, around my nose. I'm pressing for more coverage. Have a look at the reviews for this product on Code Beautiful's website. There are thousands of women that wouldn't use anything else other than this. Honestly, I can't tell you what a massive game changer it is. It flies off the shelves. It's a bestseller. In terms of shades, if you're fair like me, I would go Fairer Soul. In the summer, I use Lighthearted, which has a little bit more warmth to it. It has sort of more yellow undertones, so it's a little bit warmer. And this Fairer Soul has pink undertones, so it's a little bit cooler. So I'm just patting it into the skin. I'm doing it quite quickly just to show you. I would spend more time if I was at home. Patting it in around the areas. I get redness around my nose. It won't dry the skin. Obviously, make sure that you're hydrated before you put it on. But just look at the difference. I'll do this eye now to show you how it lifts. It's not lid surgery, ladies. But it is the next best thing. So look, the darkness here, tiny little bit. I'm going to use my finger and I'm just going to sweep over the eyelid. Don't forget those corners in there and right up to the brow bone. So from your lash line right up to the brow bone. It's a concealer, it's a primer, and it will stay all day long and give you a natural, no makeup look.